Welcome to Cadence Design Systems Fidelity Tutorial Tuesday, where we show you how to use a feature or demonstrate a technique in just a few minutes. Today I'd like to talk about an option that's available during curve creation and can be very useful when creating topologies, specifically connectors, that begin on your geometry or surfaces in your geometry and span away from that geometry. And in those cases, often you want that topology to be normal to the geometry. This tool can be found in the more general options for curve creation, as well as the tool that I want to use for the example today, which is the 2-point curve command. The beauty of this particular command is you only have to define 2 points in your system, and as soon as that second point is defined, Pointwise automatically saves that as a new curve, and in this case as a connector. We can also use this option for database curve creation and curve sources as well. So the option that I'm specifically referring to is found in the advanced frame. It's for point placement. Down here it's referred to as the normal offset. In this case, I would like to create a 2-point curve which begins at this existing node in the center of this topology, but will be created as a curve, a 2-point curve that's normal to the surface underneath. You can see as I mouse over these domains that already exist, these are structured domains, that all of the interior points of the domains are pickable locations indicated by the bullseye cursor that you see around the mouse. In order to avoid accidentally selecting any of those interior points, which can be easier to do when there's quite a refined clustering in your surface grids, I'm going to turn off the display of those domains temporarily so that I don't accidentally pick any of those points. And then what I want to do is just simply come up here, select this existing node. Because that node does lie on or is constrained to the underlying geometry or database surface, Pointwise recognizes that immediately and makes this normal offset frame available. In this particular case, I have already entered the value previously during some additional construction, so I can simply come in here and edit that value and create a new input for a different location, or again just hit enter to have a new point defined. As I mentioned, as soon as that second point is defined, it automatically saves a new connector curve for us in our grid topology. And if I rotate this model around using the mouse, I can see that it is indeed normal to the underlying geometry. If I had wanted it to be directed into the other direction or opposite direction from what it was created, I could have simply entered a negative value for the normal offset. And of course that normal is relative to the orientation of the underlying geometry. If you like this video, be sure to click the thumbs up button or subscribe to our channel for more videos like this. If you have any questions, comments, or suggestions, drop us a line down below or connect with us via LinkedIn, which is linked in the description. Thank you all and have a pleasant Tuesday.